What's going on, guys? I wanted to do a quick review here on the B&W trailer hitch we got for our new Super Duty. This is the tow and stow. These things are absolutely awesome. I've had them on all of the trucks we've had, and they are expensive, but they're worth every dollar. They really are. I will quickly go over kind of what you do when you buy it, and then I'll go over the specs. So first off, it's very heavy. Well, it's like 30 pounds. Comes in one piece, just like that. Comes right out of the box. So obviously this goes into the receiver in there. So when this goes in, set it up like so, and then you adjust your drop. Again, I'll go over the details here in a second, but these pins will come out, and the pins, cotter pins on the other side, and you can adjust the ball. So real quick, I'll show you that. So these pins will come out. You can adjust, and that's also how you stow it. 2 pins in, and it goes right in there. That's how you would stow it if you'd wanted to stow the hitch. We never do. We always constantly have it out. So first off, these pins all come with some type of grease. You want to put it on. This is all stainless steel, so nothing will break, but make sure you grease these pins once you have your setting set. So that's the stowing setting. Well, stowing, yeah, I guess that's the setting for stowing. So it sounds weird. So drop, figure out your height. That all depends on truck and trailer itself. Grease your pin, and then lock it in. One there, one on the bottom. That's how you do that. So next part would be the ball right there. So this one has the 2 5/16 and the 2-inch ball. So again, 1 pin for the ball, undone. You can adjust the ball at whatever setting you'd like. We got the 2-inch and the 2 5/16 just because our main big trailers take the bigger one, and our old snow trailer takes the small 2-inch. So get your setting in and lock it in. All right, and then after that, I highly suggest it. You get one of these. It's their brand, the B&W locking pins. It takes 2 seconds for someone to take this off your truck and run away with it, and you don't want that. So these locking pins, I'll show you. It's a lock, comes with a key. Right up where your pin would go. We'll make sure it's lined up first. Right up where your pin would go. On the locking end, you'll hear a click. That's in. It's not going anywhere. So it has the watertight seal on the top for the key. Take your key. Let me adjust this a little bit. Take your key. Just this part. Turn it in. Turn. You'll hear another click, and it comes right off. Take the key out. Cover the top. And to lock it again, you'll hear the click. It's not going anywhere. That's locked up good. All right. You want to buy one of these, or a knockoff brand or something. You guys that have these, or you're looking to spend a good amount of money to buy this, these are not cheap, and you know that by probably looking at the price before you watch this video, or you bought one. Get a lock. Think about how long it takes for some numbnut to take off your trailer hitch. So that's that. A few of the specs. So you got to measure the shank into the receiver. This is a 2025 F250, and I believe most of the previous years F250s are all 2.5. So you need a 2.5 inch shank. Or no, yes, you need this is a 2.5 inch receiver, so you need a 2.5 inch shank, which is the part of the hitch. Most of them, just measure. You measure the inside of the receiver to the truck, and that's where you get your measurements from. It's plain and simple. With this, I have the 7-inch drop. So that's all height. It all depends on what truck you have. If you have anything that's like more than a half ton, you're probably gonna need a 7-inch because the trucks are much higher. But that's the best bet. I went with a 7 because we have different heights of trailers too, so it plays a role. So, like I said, it is heavy. It's about 30 pounds, and this is stainless steel. There's zero rust. I tell you, we have one on one of our older trucks, zero rust. Just make sure you use this lubricant on these pins. And one thing, I know it's kind of controversial and people will go back and forth on the internet about it, but we do grease the top of our ball hitches. Listen, you can say anything you want. I know, you know, some people say they never have, you never have to, they never will, but metal on metal is not a good thing, personally, and I think everyone can agree on that. So that's why I've always done it, and I do it maybe every couple months. I'm not religious with it, but we do it. So that's the B&W trailer hitch tow and stow. Guys, I just wanted to do a quick video here, and I think that's really about it. You know, please get the locking pin. This thing's expensive. This is about $350. And again, this was a little more expensive just because we have the 2 balls on there. So this rotates. You can just get a set one, and I'm pretty sure it's like almost $80 cheaper, but it all depends on the drop too. Go on Amazon or go to like your local trailer dealer and they should have them. But that's really it, guys. I just wanted to post a quick kind of, I forgot to mention a long time ago, like this is what we have on all of our pickup trucks and always will. So, oh, and this locking pin was about $50, but that's well worth it. Like I said, you don't want someone to just take your trailer hitch out one night when you're just at the Walmart. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, comment below. And this really, like, it all depends, like with what you're towing and the weight, your tow rating. You got to look into all that before you buy one, and then this hitch will determine with your truck. So again, this is the 2.5 inch receiver, and you can kind of see the camera's trying to adjust there, but just look into yours before you buy it and it'll really tell you. So because it depends on the truck, it depends what you're towing, it depends on the hitch. Make sure you know all that before you tow. So all right, guys, thanks for watching.